So hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to be trying on this sensational buttered lace human hair and premium fiber blend. So, and it's a HD and it's giving curls. I really wanted something curly because you know it's summertime. I want to give, you know, the curly girl vibe. So I seen this wig and I was like, yeah, I'm gonna give it a try. I bought it online. It was like $50. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna put the link below. It's definitely in that $50 range. But this is what it's given. This is the name of it, Bohemian. How many inches? Oh, it's a 28 inch. Oh, that's lit. And I got the color black. Y'all know I'm a jet black girl. So let's see what it's giving. Okay. Okay, the curls is definitely given. I like that. I will say I'm gonna have to get some mousse. So let's take this off. We got the baby hairs. That's cute, whatever. Okay, let's see. So we got two combs in the front, comb here, and you got a comb in the back. Y'all know I'll be taking these combs out, but honestly, the combs are really small. Like, I could leave it in, but I'm gonna take it out. This is what the lace is giving. And here's some. Let me cut this off right here. So before I put the wig on, I'm going to cut the combs out because I just don't like the combs in the front. I feel like it just gives the wig bulkiness. I don't need that. Even though these combs are really small, like I'll show you guys once again. It's small, you see. I mean, it could stay, but no, I'm not a comb girl. You know what I'm saying? But the comb in the back definitely stays. I could put that, you know, back of my hair. Then I take the strings. I'm not going to tie it. I'm just going to put it to the middle. And the same thing for this side. Put it to the middle. Okay, so that's good. Just try to wiggle it. Okay, it's nice and tight, secure. Yeah, no, I'm gonna have to definitely put makeup on it. Okay. It's not bad. I don't know, y'all. What y'all think? I don't know. We'll see. I know I'm gonna slay it, but still, I don't know. See what the comb gives. Put the comb underneath. Okay. For what it's worth, it's giving what it's supposed to give. Okay, so let's glue the wig down. So I got this glue from my mom because I don't have no more lace front glue. This glue is called Hold Me Down Adhesive. It's from Erica J. So yeah, that's what I'll be using. First time trying. I haven't been using no brush on my face, but my brushes is dirty. I'm gonna buy me some new brushes this week, but in the time being, I've been using my makeup sponge to do my makeup. But for the sake of this, I'm just using a brush to, you know, really get the color up in there. Honestly, I thought it was gonna be like more lace, but when I say more lace, I thought like the whole top would have just been like I could do a side part if I wanted. You know, but this is just for a bust. I'm gonna just do one side at a time. So I can't find the clip. We just gonna focus on this side first. And then we're gonna do this side after. So I'm gonna do the cut method first. So I'm gonna split it in twos, like right here. I'm about to get close. I'm saying right there and the middle. Straight up. Right there. So yeah, we gotta flip that side. actually, I'm gonna just push it back. Who cares, right? Whatever. Anyhow. Once it dry, I'll come back. All right, I'm back. Put some lip gloss on. Anyway, put the elastic band on. I feel like taking it off. So I'm ready to cut it. So I really want to take a nap before I go to work. Or I could take a nap with this on. Cut my legs. Ready for work. Got an hour. We'll wake up at 2 o'clock. Be done with my hair and makeup. I'm so tired, y'all. Then I'm gonna take a nap. Then I'm gonna come back. All right, so I'm back. I'm about to cut this off. I'm gonna get up on. You can't really see what I'm doing right here, but I'm just sectioning out the hair to make the baby hairs. So when I start off making my baby hairs, I like to do from a middle part, and then from the front of the part, I like to draw, like basically part out a C. So that's what I'm doing right now. Hopefully, well, actually, I'm parting the middle part, making sure it's straight. And then afterwards, I'm gonna part the C. I don't know if I really showed you guys. That's why I'm doing the voiceover. So, yeah, I'm just playing with the hair. Okay, Elaine, let's get to the baby hairs, honey. I'm doing too much. All right, I'm checking myself out. All right, yes, it looks good, Elaine. Do the damn baby hairs. Sure. All right, so now I'm parting out the C. So you want to see? So that's what you do. You part a C. And I do that on both sides. I didn't even realize that, you know, I was not, that you guys can't see exactly what I'm doing. So I'm sorry about that. But yeah, so I'm gonna part out the C's on both sides. And then I'm gonna come back. Hopefully I'm showing you guys. All right, so now you should be able to see the C. I did one side so far. And now I'm probably gonna start plucking it out a little bit so it's not as thick. Let's see what's going on. So I'm pushing the hair back so it can stay on my face. Oh yeah, I'm about to start plucking. I see the tweezer. That hair is gonna keep falling back. And I'm sorry about the background. The boys are in their room watching TV and child. You know them kids act like they can't hear, so you hear whatever the heck they watching right now. So yeah, anyway, I'm just pushing their hair back so it can stay in place. Probably gonna put a clip there. I can't ever find that because my desk is always messy. So, child, bear with me. So I'm not even about to edit this part out. I'm sorry, y'all. Come on, like, child, you ain't find nothing yet? All right, maybe I do need to edit this out because, yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so finally get the plucking. I'm basically plucking out to make it a little thin because I don't want it too thick. So you do it to your desired liking. And yeah, I'm going to just keep plucking until I'm almost done. And you know what I forgot to tell y'all? After this clip, like when I first came back in, I had just woke up from a nap. So I had laid the wig down, put the elastic band on, and I fell asleep. And then I had woke up, like, you know, just in time so I could get ready for work, finish my hair, take a shower, all that stuff, do my makeup. So y'all see. All right, so it's doing what it's doing. I told you I got to get ready for work. So I'm about to go hop in the shower, you know, get dressed, finish this wig out, do my makeup, and be on the way. I think I'm going to put 2 braids right here. Like, the braids is just going to be coming down straight. So when I come back, you'll see the vibe. All right, I'm out the shower. I'm just doing something quick. I was like, I ain't about to put on my uniform yet. Let's finish the hair. I don't even know if I'm going to do my makeup on camera. I don't know. We'll see. I'm like crunching for time right now. So, oh, that is popping. That's late. But it really don't matter about the, well, I mean, it do matter, but it really don't matter because I'm about to put a braid. And honestly, right here, this side is thick from this side. So I'm going to pluck that some more as well to get the same energy. You know what I'm saying? Need that same energy for this side. I am loving this curl though. I will say, I don't know, should I put 2 braids in it? The only reason why I was putting 2 braids, I'm just like, I don't want to deal with this in my face, like that. So that's really why I was doing 2 braids, but So right here, I'm just, sectioning out the hair to part it for the braid that I'm about to get ready to put in it. And I just love this wig. This wig really was a vibe. Like, honestly, I got so many compliments. Like, I love it. I'll definitely give it a 10 out of 10. Definitely see myself buying and wearing this wig again. And it was just easy to manage. Like, it wasn't hard. All I needed was some mousse to bring it back to life. Like, the curl pattern was A1. I definitely feel like it was worth the money. Human synthetic blend would definitely do it again. So anywho, yeah. Y'all about to see me braid the hair. I ain't gonna hold y'all up. My arm was killing me when I was braiding this hair. So let me just edit out and get to the part where I'm braiding. We're gonna put this hair that way. And honestly, just for the heck of it, I'm going to put jam. Get that fresh, clean pot. This shit sound hard as hell. Alright, so let's get the braid in. I don't know how this is gonna come out, but alright, I'm gonna braid this down and I'll come back when the other side is braided as well. Okay? Okay, this is what it's given when it's braided. So I just, is it giving? I feel like this side is giving more than this side. I feel like, I don't know. Right here looks mad weird. But I'm about to spray some Got To Be glue. But I love it. It's so cute, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup off camera, come back, get ready for work, all that good stuff. And yeah, show y'all the finish, look ting ting. But I'm back, got my makeup on, and this is the final look. So yeah, let's get ready cute. About to be at work, slaying for the girls. This period. All right. I have like a track is showing right here. Can't really see the track right there, but I don't know. I'll figure it out. But anywho, lady y'all, let me get ready for work. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I need to put some lashes on so it can complete the look. But anywho, I will see you. Oh yeah, and I put on my Sheen press-on nails. So I gotta give as I'm serving. Anyway, I will see you guys in my next videos. I'm gonna vlog while I'm going to work. So let me get dressed. I'm going to be late anyway to this. So this is what it looks like in the back. That's what it's giving me. So yeah. Later, guys. Love you. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, all that good stuff.